Hello everyone, this tutorial is about lounge pants which I made from a piece of scrap. So let's see how I made it. As you see, this is a long and wide enough strip of cloth and has a little bit stretch in it. So it's perfect for making a relaxed lounge pants. So I took measurements according to my pants with about 3 inches extra for elastic casing and hemming at the bottom, and also taking care of the rough edge to smooth it out. So I cut it out according to my measurements. So after cutting, I fold it in lengthwise and then fold it in widthwise and then pinned it all over. So after pinning, I smoothed out the rough edge and then measured the width, which is few inches less than I need. So I'll add an extra piece to it. I folded that in lengthwise and then in widthwise and then measured it according to what I need. But don't forget to add seam allowances to your measurements. So after measuring, cut out the extra piece from it. And when measuring the crotch area, always remember to first fold the elastic casing and then measure your crotch area and also add the seam allowance to it and then cut according to your measurements. And after this step, you measure the width of your leg opening and first draw a line so you don't go wrong. And remember, we are not making it skin tight, so we don't need any extra knee or ankle measurements or anything else. We just simply cut it out. So after this, just sew the small pieces to the long pieces. But before that, we have to separate them from each other, because remember, we just cut out a long piece. So first carefully measure it in half, find out the middle and then cut it out, and same with the long piece. So after cutting out, I'll take out all the pins, and after that I'll show you how I attach these small pieces to the long pieces. So I'll just attach the small piece to the long piece on the wrong side, so right side together, and we'll run a stitch on the wrong side, and then take another long piece and attach it to the other side of the small piece, and after that it will look like this. And now I will attach the other long piece on the other side, and finally it will look like this. So the small pieces are in the middle, and after that find out the middle and we'll just fold it in half, and we'll cut out an inch from the front side of the pants. So the front is always a bit shorter than the back so that it can sit properly. And now fold the elastic casing. So pin it all over, leaving a little bit opening for the elastic to insert later on. So this is how it looks after making the elastic casing, and now I'll just run a stitch from one end to the other. And after finishing that stitch, I'll just fold the bottom of the pants and we'll just hem it. And our pants are ready. So turn right side out and you're good to go. So see how we made this piece of scrap into a useful thing. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to stay connected.